Hey guys, welcome back to another live. Hope everybody's doing great. Let's tap on our screen. Let's get the likes up. Double tap on the screen. Oh my god. Let's tap on our screen, guys. Let's get the likes to 4,000. Trying to. Okay. Um. Trading. Okay. Okay. I picked up with something else. Alright guys, welcome back to the live. Hope everybody's doing great. We're back here live on TikTok and the other platform to analyze the Forex market. I hope everybody's doing great. It's been a while, but we're back now. Unfortunately, my old TikTok account was deleted. So now this is the new account that I'm using. So guys, make sure you follow it and share it so that other people can follow, because I'm sure a lot of people don't know that I'm no longer active on the other account, you know. So yeah, but hopefully by God's grace, I'm gonna be able to get back to where we were at. Okay. So make sure you follow this account if you're not already following. Join the Telegram group if you're not already in it. Okay, the Telegram group is where you can stay connected with me to get updates on anything that's happening. Okay, make sure you join it. The link is in the bio. So just head over to my TikTok bio right now. You'll see a link to the Telegram group. Okay, so without further ado, we're gonna get started. And if you want to have a better experience and all that, make sure you join the live on the other platform. I can't mention the name, but if you go to the Telegram group, you'll be able to see the link to that. Okay, because on TikTok here, I'm trying to be more careful because there's so much restrictions and all that. So there's a lot of things I cannot do or say on the TikTok live. But yeah, so yeah, on this TikTok live, like the chart and all that might not really show as great. Okay, so I would prefer if you guys can join the Telegram group so you can be able to have a better experience for this live. Okay, all right, so and oh my goodness, it's okay. Experience. Okay, so we're gonna start with the analysis soon, guys. Okay, any comments I won't be able to see right now. Okay, let me just start with the analysis. Make sure you join on the other platform, guys, so you can see the screen better, because on here you won't be able to see the screen that well. Okay, on here I'm just gonna I was trying to type a message that says join Telegram to see better, but for some reason I cannot find that thing that allows you to type the message. So debating on what to do here. I think I'll just let you guys know. For those who are just joining, I'll just say it every now and then. Okay, so let's get started with the analysis. I'm gonna let's look at gold here first. Mark out the zone number 1 where I'm looking at potentially entering a buy or sell, and then after that we can analyze other pairs like GBP USD, Euro. Yeah, we're not going to analyze a lot of pairs today because today's live is only going to be for like 1 hour. 1 hour. So let's get started. Okay, let's keep tapping on our screen, guys. Double tap on your screen. Let's get the likes up to 10,000. Double tap on your screen, guys. And those who are watching on the other platform, please give the thumbs up button. Give this video a thumbs up. Let's get the likes to 8. Okay. Yeah, so let me look at gold here. Okay, we can see currently the price is 26.08. Okay, so it is currently heading down. Okay, so since it's heading down, let's see where is the next best area to look for potential buy. Okay, I'm gonna just quickly map out the zones here. I already sort of like have some of it, as you can see here, 26.06. This is an area where I'm looking at potentially buying gold. This is an area of support. You know, I marked it out, I believe, a few days ago, so the price is now finally heading there. So I may look for buy around this area if the price holds that support. So that's 26.06. Okay, so around between 26.06 and 2600 is an area of support to look for potential trade. Okay, so that is it. And then for my resistance, see for an area for me to look for a sell, and just map it out. Okay, I'm going to delete all these lines here because it's no longer needed. Yeah, so I have this resistance, but the most recent one is down here. Okay. All right. Let's tap on our screen, guys. Double tap on your screen. Let's get the likes to 10K, please. Double tap on your screen, guys. Double tap on the screen, guys. Let's get the likes to 10K. Okay. Alright, so I have this resistance here, 26.13, 26.19. This is where I'm going to look for a sell if the price comes there. Okay. So that is mapped. Let me just check. 15 minutes here. Yeah. 15. Let's check the 5 minutes. Okay. It's gonna map out this. Let's double tap on our screen, guys. Double tap on your screen. Okay. So I have this resistance here as well. This is gonna be really like this is like a temporary resistance that I can take a quick scalp in if the price of course respects it. So 2609, 2612, we see a bounce in this area here and gets rejected. I will look for a sell here. Okay, so that's it. And then I'm gonna just go back on the 15-minute time frame here, and then okay, so on this 15-minute time frame, there's this resistance here, 2607, which the price broke. Okay, so it broke this resistance. Okay, so below here, this is our support. So when the price comes within the zone and it holds it, this is where I want to look for potential buy. So hopefully the price holds that area. Okay, so these zones that I mapped out, or yeah, just draw, is all based on my scalping strategy, which I explain in more details in the trading class. Okay, so on this live here, you're just gonna see me trade it, but in terms of like explaining how it works step by step, if you want to learn it, you have to join the trading class, which the next trading class is starting on starting next month, January 2025. So if you want to learn more on how to trade, learn more about the scalping strategy that I use, which is extremely powerful, make sure you join my trading class. The next one is starting in January. You can register by going to my bio. There's a link there that says trading class. Fill the form there, and then I should get back to you within like 24 hours. 24 to 48 hours, I'll get back to you. And then yeah, so gold is not at the area yet. It's approaching the area where we can look for buys. So if it's there and it's hold, I will look for buy here. Okay, so now let me switch. So after mapping these zones, I just switch to the 1 minute time frame so we can just see. Normally I'll just set an alert to the area where I'm looking for buy and sell, and then when the price is approaching it, I mean when the price gets there, when I get notified, then I'll come and look at the chart. Okay, so yeah, it looks like now the price is heading back up. Okay, heading back up. So if it taps into this zone here and it gets rejected, this is a good area to look for potential sell. Okay, and then down here 2606 will be a good area to look for potential buy. Okay, let's see, maybe there's nothing else I'm missing here. Okay, so the price is now at the resistance, but where I'm looking at selling, okay, with this strategy here, I like to see the price go inside this resistance. Okay, go into it, and then after that I can see a bearish rejection candle here on the 1 minute time frame. Then I will enter a sell. Okay, so that has not happened, so I cannot enter a sell right now. All I see right now is that the price tapped into it, and yeah, right now it looks like it's getting rejected, but based on this strategy, I'm not going to enter a sell from here. So yeah, so let's see how the market behaves. Double tap. So I'm going to analyze other pairs. Okay, I'm gonna just leave this here on the side. Okay, this is gold. We'll leave it on the side here while we look at, we'll actually, you know what, we'll start we're going to analyze gold, like look at the overall market structure and everything, because right now what I did is just analyze, marked out the zones for me to look for buys and sell based on the strategy here to scalp. But let's look at the overall market direction. Okay, so I'm gonna, let me just open a different chart. Just give me a second. Let's keep tapping on our screen, guys. Double tap. Let's get the likes to 10K. Double tap on your screen. Okay. All right, so this one is good. Okay, now let me open a different chart. Double tap on your screen, guys. Let's get the likes up. Let's tap on our screen. Double tap. Okay, so I just opened a different chart, which I will now use to just analyze the overall market structure. And as always, we always start by analyzing on the daily time frame. Okay, because on the daily time frame, we need to understand what is happening there, so we can understand what's happening in the short term in the lower time frames. Okay, so yeah, so let's start on the daily time frame here. Okay, on the daily time frame, what do we see? Okay, so there's three types of trends that the market can be in. Either it's in an uptrend, downtrend, or sideways trend. In an uptrend, usually the price is forming higher highs and higher lows, and then in a downtrend, it's usually forming lower highs and lower lows. Okay, so we need to figure out what kind of what's the current trend in this market on this daily time frame. Okay, so looking at this daily time frame here, well, look here on the left, we can see the market was a nice uptrend here. Okay, it was a nice uptrend up until this point here at 27.10. It ended up breaking below this low, so we entered this bearish trend here. Okay, so right now the price is currently bearish on the daily time frame because we broke this low. So since it broke that low, we can see it started heading down lower and lower, right? Started going down lower and lower, and then we were able to drop all the way down here at 25.35. That's the lowest it went to. Now before this low, the lowest was this one here, 26.42. That was the previous low here. I'm just gonna mark it down. So yeah, so I just marked that down. Double tap on your screen, guys. Let's get the likes up. Okay, so that was the daily low, the previous low before this one here at 25.38. Okay, so now price broke below that. 26.45 turns into resistance. So now we see the price went back up to basically retest. Okay, it could be a retest, or it could be that, you know, the price is going there to try to break that resistance. So the resistance was between 26.45 and 27.09. Okay, so we can see price went up. It didn't get rejected at 26.45. Instead, it went all the way up to the top part of that resistance, and then we saw massive rejection. Now before that rejection, price actually did break above that level. Okay, it broke above 27.09, and then right away it got rejected massively and started heading down. Okay, so this was false breakout. Okay, that one was a false breakout. Price got rejected. Now, as a result of this rejection, the next goal, okay, usually when the price gets rejected at this resistance, the next area it's supposed to go down to is it's supposed to go down to this low here. Okay, so it's supposed to go down to this low, but it hasn't done that yet. I mean, it's pretty close to it. You can see this is where it is right now. After this rejection though, we saw quite a huge sideways movement. I mean, a long sideways movement. The price, the gold price was just going side to side for a long time. Okay, for a long time, but eventually this was where it's supposed to come to, but it took a while. Okay, it just went sideways for over a week, and then after that sideways movement, pushed back up to the resistance again, and then it got rejected again. Okay, got rejected. Now we have a triple top. Okay, price got rejected. Now we have a triple top. Okay, hold on guys, I'm watching the market now. It's at that resistance and it looks like it's getting rejected, so I am about to enter a sell soon. Just waiting for the 1 minute candle to close. I'm going to just switch to my other chart here. Give me a second. Okay, we'll go back to that analysis that I was doing in a bit. So okay, so this is it here. It hasn't gotten rejected yet. Refresh screen. Let's see. It didn't get rejected, so I can enter a sell. So guys, just give me a second, okay? Keep tapping on your screen. I'll be right back. Have you been abandoned? Yeah, they're now open. Okay. Alright guys, so back here, double tap on your screen. Let's get the lights up. So yeah, so the price came here to this resistance, but it didn't get rejected, so can't enter a sell. Okay, next area where I could look for a sell. Let me switch here to the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour time frame, this is a resistance here, 26.13. Okay, so that would be the next area to look for a sell. Okay, when the price comes to that area, okay, so double tap on your screen, guys. Let's get the likes to 10K. Currently sitting at 8.8, which is great. Thank you to everybody who's tapping. Appreciate it. Yeah. Okay, so now the next area where I'm going to look for a sell would be here at 26.13 if the price comes to that area. Okay, and then for buy, it's still down here. Okay, okay. So let me continue with the analysis, okay, that I was doing here. Let's go back the chart. So on the daily time frame, like I said, the price is currently bearish. Okay, it's currently bearish. We had this triple top that the price formed after it came back to the resistance to test it the third time. Okay, oh yeah, the second time actually, because this was the first retest, this is the second retest. Okay, so now we have this triple top, so that's why the price started heading down. Target is here, so price almost made it to the target. Okay, so yeah, so currently this is our current support here, this is our current low. Okay, on this daily time frame here. Okay, so this is the current support. If the price breaks below that, it's going to turn into resistance. Okay, and as of right now, the main strongest resistance price has now on the daily time frame is around 27.10. So between 27.10 and 27.26. Okay, that's the strong resistance price has. So the price would need to break above this for us to move higher on the daily time frame. Okay, so the next area where the market can find support again, well, it's right here. Okay, let's mark it here. So this is the next area price can find support again, and you can see it is already sort of like holding it here. Okay, it's already holding the support. So if that support is strong enough, the price should be able to bounce back up. Let's keep tapping on our screen, guys. For those who are just joining, make sure you join the Telegram group. Okay, the link is in the bio. Join the Telegram group so that you can be able to see the screen a little bit better. Okay, go to the Telegram group, guys. Yeah, on TikTok you won't be able to see the screen better. You need to go to the Telegram group and then join the live from there. Okay, sit up when you say it. Okay, go back to this chart. Okay, for this resistance, like you can see, the price broke above it. Okay, so what I'm going to do at this point, I'm going to delete it off the chart because it's no longer something I'm going to use. Okay, so next thing I'm looking at is 26.13. That's the next thing that I am going to look at here. When the price comes here and it gets rejected, this will be an area to look for a sell. Okay, sure. Go back to this chart. All right, so looking at this chart here, okay, so like I said, the next area where the price can find support is between here 25.82 and 25.35, around there. This is the next area of support, so we can see price tap into this area here, 25.83, around there, and then from there it held it and is bouncing back up. Okay, so now this bounce up is supposed to bring the price back to this resistance. We have resistance at 26.62, so that's area number one for the price to get to. Next area will be this top part here. Okay, so these are the two areas the price is expected to get to as a result of it holding the support here. Okay, and it can do this as long as it doesn't break below as long as it doesn't break below 25.32. Okay, this low here, it cannot break below that level. Okay, so this is a good area to look for a buy. I mean, if you're buying at this top part here, yeah, your stop loss is going to be quite huge. Okay, because you'll have to set it below 25.33, around there. But let's see what the lower time frame is looking like. Okay, so I'm going to switch switch back to, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, let's see what the price is doing here, the 1 hour time frame. Double tap on your screen, guys. Let's get the likes to 15K. All right. Okay. Double tap on your screen, guys. Let's get the likes up. Okay, so gold is now at this resistance here. This resistance here. Let's see how the price reacts. I'm going to just focus on this one for now. Let's keep tapping on our screen, guys. Double tap. Yeah, it's getting rejected. Waiting. Okay, single. We need to actually see the candle close bearish. First enter. So 17 seconds left. Double tap on your screen, guys. Double tap. Let's get the likes to 15. Okay. I'm entering a sell now. Okay, entering a sell in MT4 and targeting 2612 as a TP. Okay, this area right here. The price goes up higher at 2616. This would be another good area to sell. And then with this sell here, the stop loss would be at 2620. Okay, 2620. I'm actually not gonna write the target now. I'm gonna write the target on the Telegram group. So if you want to see the target, make sure you're in the Telegram group, okay? With this one, I'm entering another sell up here at this area here. So I'm closing. I closed the second cell that I entered from here. The first one's still gonna keep it open because the target hasn't yet gotten it, so it's 26.12 around this area. So I'm gonna keep holding that. All right, let me read a comment here. Okay, I see a comment on YouTube. The resistance that you removed, is it now support? No. So that resistance that I removed, the one that was on the 5 minutes, it's not support. It's yeah, it was just a resistance, and since the price didn't get rejected at that, I don't use it as support. Okay, but just bear in mind, this is because it's not support because this is based on the strategy that I'm using, you know, the scalping strategy. Okay, whenever I have a resistance that I mapped out based on that scalping strategy, the resistance, once the price breaks above it, it doesn't turn into support. But in when you like the normal way of trading and the way the market works, okay, whenever the price breaks above a resistance, the resistance turns into support. Okay, so this is when you're looking at like bigger time frames. Okay, so when you're analyzing, looking at bigger time frames like daily time frame, 4 hour, 1 hour, Okay, whenever the price breaks a resistance, usually that resistance is supposed to turn into support and so on. Okay, but the one on the 5-minute and so on is it's not very reliable for you to use it as support if price breaks above it. So guys, so far on this live, I've been able to enter just one trade on gold, and I entered 2 sell positions. The second one played out because I closed it already in profit. The first one I haven't closed it yet. Okay, so yeah, so this live we haven't taken that much trade. The market is not moving as much. Everything's just moving a bit slow here. Most likely because of, you know, the holidays and everything, so it's to be expected. But yeah, let's see if that's I'm going to be ending this live very soon. In about 15 minutes or so I'll be ending the live. Okay, now before I go here, okay, I will finish up with that analysis, the other analysis that I was doing, to look at the overall market structure on gold. Okay, I'll finish up with that analysis. So let me open up that chart. Okay, chart here. Okay. Let me open up that chart. Okay, so like I was analyzing here, we know that on the daily time frame, price is showing us that it's heading up, right? Setting up, and so we want to see where we can buy. The best area to have bought was around 26.83 and so on, but the price is not there yet. I mean, it came down to that area and it already pushed up, and right now it's all the way at 26.14 now. So we need to see where is the next area price could pull down to, okay, if we're going to join in this buy. So on this 1 hour time frame, you know, the market structure right now, if I zoom out, let me zoom out. Okay, if I zoom out, it is currently bearish. Okay, it's currently bearish. You can see here price is going lower and lower. Okay, it's currently bearish, and then now we can see the price drop to this low over here, and then from there it went up to this resistance. Okay, if it built a resistance here 26.26, and then dropped down, came back here again, and ended up getting rejected again. Okay, so on this 1 hour time frame, let me just draw this box here. Okay, this whole area here. Okay, so this whole area here, so between 26, 27 and 25.87 is an area the price is going to use as support since we broke above this resistance. So areas where we can look to buy, okay, to join in this potential upward movement the price is going to do. We have support here at 26.07. Okay, I'm going to just mark it down here. Okay, so we have this support here 26.07, which is a good area to look for a buy. Okay, and then we also have down here at 25.89, which is another good area for a buy. Okay, if you're looking to enter a buy and then targeting that high that I said on the daily time frame, which the price is most likely heading to, then the area where you want to look for buys, you know, now is between 26.07, 2600, and then 26.89. Okay, this is the current good area to buy. So we can see here this current 1 hour candle is the price returned to that support. Okay, it returned at the support here and is currently holding it. So if this current 1 hour candle closes bullish, this would be a good area to enter a buy. Okay, so it could be a good area to enter a buy. And then your stop loss for this trade, if you want to be like you don't want to take on too much risk, then you can set your stop loss below 25.83. Okay, 25.83 will be a good area to set your stop loss here. Okay, if you're entering the buy from this level. Okay, yeah, so that's one area. And then we also have this support here, you know, between 25.82 and 25.37. This is the major support on the daily time frame, which if the price comes to it again, I don't expect the price to come down to this area again, but if it does, now if you have not entered the buy yet, then you want to wait for confirmation that it's actually going to hold that support. Okay, you want to wait for the confirmation that it's going to hold that support, and if it does, then we enter a buy. But if it doesn't, you don't enter a buy. But for now, if you're trying to enter a buy, the best area is now between 26.07 25.89. Okay, so yeah, so that's basically it. The sell that I just took on the earlier, just not too long ago, is that one is just temporary. Okay, it's not that I am expecting the price to suddenly crash. It's just like a small trade, small price prediction, bearish price prediction, and that's it. Okay, but in the long term, expecting the price to push up. Okay, and yeah, so I'm gonna enter a buy once this 1 hour candle closes. We'll see how it closes, then we'll enter a buy. Okay, so guys, this live here was supposed to be very short. I'm gonna be ending it now, and the next time I'm gonna come live again will be tomorrow. Tomorrow I can't, so I'm not gonna come live tomorrow. I'll come live again on after the holidays, so after Christmas, on the 26th. The 26th of December will be live again. Okay, so if you're still in that sell, you can keep holding it. Okay, I posted the targets and everything on the Telegram group. Make sure you join the Telegram group so you can see it. Okay, posted where the stop loss is, where the take profit is, and all that. Okay, so yeah, I'll see you guys again on Thursday, December 26th at around this time. Okay, there's a chance I may come live again tonight. Okay, we'll see. I may come back live again today at 10 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, so hope you guys have an amazing day. Hope you have an amazing day. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas to everybody who celebrates it. And see you guys hopefully later today. If not, then see you on Thursday. Okay, take care guys. Bye for now.